Next term, manufacturing equity.
Manufacturing
so
equity. It's not actually done anywhere but by you. So you can't go somewhere and buy equity. You actually have to either let the market create it for you or do something that improves the value of the property, increases the value of the property. Therefore, meaning what you owe and what it's worth is. There's
a big difference, hopefully.
Greater difference, yeah. It's really just a fancy word for renovating or proactively adding value to the property, improving its value. And it may be cosmetic. So, cosmetic renovation may manufacture some equity, and that's replacing the bathroom or the kitchen, ripping up the carpet and polishing the floorboards, doing painting, those sorts of cosmetic things may manufacture equity, but it may be structural as well. It may be adding a deck or an outdoor entertaining area or, Veronica, one of your favourite strategies for manufacturing equity in apartments is if there's a really good sized laundry, to be able to turn that laundry into a second bathroom / laundry. And you've seen that manufacture some really good equity for people, haven't you?
Yeah,
done well.
Yeah, absolutely. Older style apartments often have quite a separate laundry room, and it's like if you took that laundry the washing machine, put a washer dryer unit in the kitchen, for instance, then you've got a bigger room that you can actually squeeze probably a shower and a toilet in.
Yeah,
bang!
Yeah.
You just made 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom. Yay!
Which has more value than having a separate laundry.
Definitely, absolutely.